So hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial videos. So in today's video I'm gonna walk you through how to log in Audible audio entertainment app on your device. So first thing, you need to make sure that Audible app is installed on your device, and after that you need to simply go to the app Audible. You can see the option get started, and as you can see, this is the very first home page of this app, and you need to click on the option get started. And after that, to log in or to sign in, you need to follow these instructions, and we need to click on the option continue. And after that, you need to simply verify yourself to continue in this app. So after entering your email, you need to enter the password, which must be Amazon Prime password compulsorily. So following all these instructions, you need to simply click on the option continue, which is highlighted in color yellowish. So this is how you can easily log in Audible on your device and listen to podcasts and audiobooks and adventure yourself into magical new world of imagination. Enjoy audio entertainment of all genres and taste. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.